Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah.
Okay, but I have it over here.
Take picture. Pakistani, no?
Sorry, sir. That's the one. You wanna do it?
No?
We will be just back just because we are just here for the view. With our bike, the shock actually which was here, it's broke. So we are here right now in the shop. So we are checking it out. Yeah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is my actually overall third attempt towards Baguio. Earlier when I was not a vlogger, like last year in November in the 2020, I had on a single bike, so I went down on the up. Even there was restrictions at that time, but somehow I managed, and just I had finished my some small task and returned back. So the second time we had attempt towards Andijan Bridge Road, and we couldn't make it out. And today I didn't start my vlog earlier because I want to make sure that we gonna make something today different. So we are halfway towards Baguio, and I just increased my. So right now, as you can see on my screen, we are 23 kilometers towards ahead, only remaining towards Baguio, and this is the actually the tracking. So still the hardest part still ahead, but inshallah I hope so we will be able to manage it, inshallah. Hope for the best, and we will catch you shortly, inshallah. Yes, so finally actually we are almost near Baguio. So So as you can see that behind these are the mountains, and it's a bit freezing cold. I believe it's like below 15 degrees centigrade. So finally, at least we have conquered something which we was looking forward. So it's about morning around 6:30, I believe. I think so. Yeah, no, it's 7 o'clock already. Yes, Ali, how do you feel?
It's good. The weather is good, but I just get.
So, as you can see on the navigation, so we just are 5.7 kilometers away from Baguio, and this was all the trekking which we came all the way up. So still, this is our the destination. Yeah, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So finally, Alhamdulillah, we are able to reach in Baguio. So I am already standing in the front of Bureau of Immigration in Baguio. So I just have some my official work over here. So in regards with the visa process and TRV. So let's hope for the best. And it was a good experience at this early morning. The checkpoint, they did just only saw us and they let us go without any doubt. So I was just shocked. So this is the first time it's happened. Even he did not ask me any idea or something else. So just he looked at us immediately. Actually, I was wearing the mask, so I just put it down. He said okay. So Alhamdulillah, with the grace of mighty Allah. So at least we are early morning ahead and we have plenty of time, Ali.
Yeah.
Right, so we move around. So that's why we first this priority we can finish this one and then we will go ahead. Yeah. So I will get a token number right now. Okay, we'll catch you soon. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So today is 22nd Friday, October 2021, and we are in here Baguio right now. So this is the Grand Mosque of Baguio. So we are here. It's in a small narrow street. So mostly actually the Baguio streets internally they are like this, ascending, and this is mashallah the beautiful masjid over here. We have to remove the shoes from here. It's okay.
أشهد أن لا على الصلاة حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله.
Ali, where is the broken one? Yeah, so still we have some bad luck over here with our bike. The shock actually which was here, it's broke. So we are here right now in the shop. So we are checking it out. Yeah, what's the issue now?
वो कह रहा है वेल्डिंग करवा लो आप.
It can be done by welding, sir? I don't think so because this one is not a metal. This one is I don't know, like cast aluminum, something like that one. So it cannot be welded.
इसके पास ये नहीं है. अबे मध्य में पहले नहीं यहाँ आ जाए, यहीं पे आ जाए. शार्क.
So actually the thing is that we are having a difficulty because to find the same size. So that we are figure it out and let's see.
इसको मैंने कहा सेट कर.
So finally actually we managed to fix it and it's all because of Mr. Ali here. He's a smart ass.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल लो. हो गया.
So far it's okay, manageable. Thank you, man.
मैंने बोल क्या हो गया.
Yes, so it's a bit very tiring day so far. So the morning actually 3:30 I woke up this morning and then I left San Manuel Pangasinan and now we are returning back. Actually it was rainy, so I couldn't be able to make the video while I was coming back. Even I have this one water pro, but I couldn't be able to fix it. There was no possibility to stop and then we came all the way down. But alhamdulillah, it was a progressive day so far today, and we managed to reach via our tri bike finally. Actually Markaz highway is not much, you know, it's like sloppy or ascending road. It's quite manageable. there was some areas and there was some roads curvy. It was little bit harder, but I had managed on this particularly tri bike. But on the other side, the previous my vlog, which was based on Andion way, it was extremely beyond my expectation, particularly for this tri bike. It was having too much difficulty because that the slope was extremely probably 60 degree or 65 and 70, so it was like this. But this was quite good road. But unfortunately, when we was coming back, I was thinking I would have some aerial shoot, but it was rainy, so I couldn't be able to make it. But alhamdulillah, so we are just stop over here in Rosario. Yes, my friend, how are you? Good? Yeah, I will let you know. Just yes. What's your good name?
What is your YouTube channel?
Daily life stuff.
Ah.
Yeah. One here young boy, so he was asking that I'm a vlogger, so I just want to have the sticker. Actually, I would have some plenty of stickers, but I changed my bag, so I'll probably at home. So in short, so still it's about an hour and more than hour actually. I have to drop Bin Ali, then from there I have to go back to my